Hey dudes, what's up? It's Tom and we're playing some more Minecraft Skywars. And I'm here by random chance. No, I'm joking. I'm here with no one. I go all silent for some reason. Yes, sorry about any background. Let's go. Let's beat this guy. Come on, destroy. Damn it. So yeah, we're back and gonna play some more very soon, see ya. And we're back playing another game, and hopefully this time I can rush for center. At least I'm gonna try, so let's head off. Start off by getting all the wood from my tree. GG. No! Damn it. Let's play one more. See you soon. And we're back. Sorry about that. Let's get some wood. Okay. What? No, I'm gonna die from fall damage. This is like the worst game ever. I'm gonna end the episode here, guys. I know it's like a short ass video, but I hate fall damage. Since when could you get fall damage from them? But who cares? Let's end the episode and see you dudes all later. Chillax and be a bucker.